look now, I think I'm ready to go. You wanna roll out? Well, we should hit up the show. I wanna party all night long with you. You look like the type of trouble I could get into. I see you talking with a lot of guys, but from the minute we locked eyes, I can tell we had a thing. Let's hang, girl, tell me your name, 'cause baby, you're feeling wanted and I'm glad you came. Baby, give me a ring, 'cause I know you'll be the same, or at least I wish you would. 'Cause you look so good, baby, you look so, so good. Yeah.
And this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at your baby, but here's my number, so call me maybe.
You got my number, so won't you pick up the phone? We'll have a good time. I know you're sitting at home. Don't be afraid to take a chance on me. I know it's crazy, but baby, you should call me. And I know you only just Memphis, but you bitches are right like Tetris. Like I don't know your name, boy, but I like your game, boy. Let's play all night, yeah. I think you know we should, 'cause you look so good, baby, you look so, so good.
I just met you. And this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at your baby, but here's my number, so call me maybe. I just met you. And this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Call me otherwise, try to change me, but here's my number, so call me maybe.
How that burn like a tiger, make it nasty, baby, anything and everything you ask me. Looks like you found a way to attract me. Knew you wanted me from the minute that you passed me. But we have to play, tip by the fire with a Chardonnay. This romance, it starts today. Now it's your move, Carly Rae.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy.